We've got some noisy works now. I'll be fitting these hose bolts to masonry. We've got to mark how far we need to go to avoid getting into neighbors, because neighbors not expecting us. The wall here, UK walls, plumb and level, all good. So we'll start somewhere from the center probably. We'll see how it goes. I need to see how the first fixing will go, because we are using slightly smaller drill bit, because old bricks sometimes falling apart when you are screwing. Let's see how this will go. Not good. Need to drill a bit. Need to drill deeper. Oh, perfect. What was that? Let's check. Let's fix it. Oh, ideal. Okay. What's happening? What's wrong with me?